Hello guys, welcome to today's video. So today we are going to talk about the features that make the Altroz iTurbo XZ Plus variant a complete premium hatchback. So let's start with the video. So if we start from the exteriors, we can see that this car has got a very nice sharp masculine look, which gives it a edge over other hatchbacks. Uh, Coming to the details of it, if we see the light setup, we see a projector headlamp along with a normal headlamp here, besides which is the turn indicators, and below that we see the fog lamps with integrated LED DRLs. Now one good feature of this is it has got the cornering lamp feature, that is whenever you turn the wheels, the steering wheels of this car at night time, the fog lamps get activated automatically depending on the side you are taking the turn, so that you get a better peripheral vision of the road. So this is a good premium feature to have in this car. Coming to the next feature, which are these wipers you can see here. These are rain. So you are provided with rain sensing automatic wipers. So the sensors are located over here. As soon as these sensors sense moisture on the windscreen, these wipers get activated automatically, and the speed is also adjusted automatically based on the intensity of the rainfall. If we have the side look, then the design of the car is very good to look, very impressive from the side profile, which gives it a very nice sharp edges and sharp looks. Also there is this chrome plating on the side, which gives it a really nice finish. Coming to the rear end, you can see the iTurbo badging, which comes with the Altroz turbo variant, and the proximity sensors as well as the camera for the rear lights, and this gives a good feature of parking assist for the driver. Also there is a feature which you can activate, which enables you to have the rear view through the camera even when you are driving in a normal mode. So this I feel is a good feature to have in a premium hatchback. So the car has a automatic remote key, and which provides you with the feature to lock and unlock the car with auto folding ORVMs, and this is a good feature to have on a premium hatchback. Also along with the remote key, you have a wearable key for this car, which you can use in case you don't want to carry the key around if you are going for a jog or. Coming to the inside of the car, as you can see, you have got a whole range of steering mounted controls, and a specific feature of this is the cruise control, which gives you a very good riding experience on long drives. Apart from this, excellent feature of this car is the voice command technique, which I can demonstrate like this. Increase fan speed.
Okay, increasing fan speed to 2.
So as you can see, you can provide a lot of commands to the vehicle through voice mode, which enables you to concentrate on your driving and not engage in manual keys, of course, which you can also do if you please to do so. So this is another premium feature of this car. Another feature that comes with this top variant is this express cooling feature, which if I press this button,
Express cooling off, normal cooling mode on.
so this enables you to provide fast cooling in case you are sitting, in case the vehicle is parked in the sunlight and it's very hot inside and you need immediate cooling inside the car. So this is another premium feature which is provided with the Altroz iTurbo XZ Plus variant, and this is a very nicely working touchscreen which comes with the vehicle, which is very easy to operate and which provides you with a lot of functions. You can control the air conditioning, the music, and a lot of other features with this, even with the DRLs and the other lighting options, the ambient lighting and all these things add to a good feel inside the vehicle, and you can control all this through this touchscreen panel. Focusing on this area, these are two additional tweeters that come with the top variant. apart from the other speakers. So this feature provides a very good boost to the music experience that you can have inside the car. The sound system is provided by Harman, as you can see, which is printed on this touch screen, and it provides a very good music output. The bass, the treble, the sound levels, everything is more than what you can expect from a vehicle. So all in all, these are the features, and one more additional feature that comes with the turbo variant is this sports mode. So if you really need that power, if you need that boost in your driving, if you want that thrill, the driver experience, then you can definitely switch on this button.
Sport drive mode activated.
So as you can see, it's indicating that the sports mode has been switched on,
City drive mode activated.
and that's how you can switch it off to city mode. This is another good feature that comes with this vehicle. Another premium feature that comes with the Altroz iTurbo is the connected car technology, which you can access from your phone. So as you can see on the screen, this is the way you can use the app. You can use various features like switching on the lights, and there are social media sites from this app. You can use this app to plan your trips. It shows you the current location of the vehicle. You can also plan your trips, and also it shows you the details of your previous trips, including every detail like mileage and other things. You can run diagnostics of the car through this app, which shows you the current condition of various systems, as you can see on the screen. So overall, this connected car technology, which you can use through the Aira app, adds to the premiumness of this vehicle ownership experience. So these were a few exciting features that I found in this car, which give this car a very good premium look and feel. And I'll be making more such sort of videos to let you know more about this beautiful car. And let me know in the comments if you like this video. Thank you.